Vietnam! This place is amazing. It's a blast for your senses. The smells, the sounds, the history. This Southeast Asian jewel is more than just beautiful scenery. It's about old traditions, lively culture, and strong people. For many years, Vietnam has been a mix of cultures influenced by China, France, and Southeast Asia. It's a special blend. You can see this mix everywhere. You see it in the buildings, the food, the way people talk to each other. But what really makes Vietnam special is its people. They're friendly, welcoming, and proud of where they come from. They've faced tough times and become stronger. You can see this strength in their spirit. So come on, let's explore this awesome country. Let's discover the heart of Vietnam together. Get ready for an adventure. Vietnamese food? Oh my goodness, it's incredible. Fresh, flavorful, and delicious. It's all about balance, sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. Each bite is like a party of tastes and smells. Let's talk pho. This famous noodle soup is a national favorite. Imagine a tasty broth cooked for hours, smelling of star anise and cinnamon. Add tender beef or chicken, rice noodles, and lots of fresh herbs. It's super comforting. Next up, banh mi. This sandwich is a popular street food. Crunchy bread, tasty fillings, pickled vegetables, cilantro, and a spicy kick. It's a flavor explosion. And then there's bánh chưng. This sticky rice cake is a must-have during Tet, the Lunar New Year. It's made with sticky rice, mung beans, and pork belly wrapped in banana leaves and boiled. It takes a lot of work to make, but it's so worth it. Vietnamese culture is all about tradition. Ancestor worship is very important to their beliefs. It's about respecting family members who came before and asking for their guidance. Families have special places in their homes for their ancestors. They give incense, food, and prayers, especially during holidays. It's a way to connect with their past and honor their family history. And speaking of traditions, let's talk about Tet, the Lunar New Year. It's the biggest celebration in Vietnam. Families get together, eat, give gifts, and wish each other good luck for the new year. Tet is a time for fresh starts. People clean their homes, decorate with flowers and kumquat trees, and pay off debts. It's a time for renewal and hope. Tet is amazing to see. Streets are decorated with lanterns and banners. Everyone is excited. It's a time for families to reunite, see dragon dances, and go to festive markets. One of the best parts of Tet is the lion dance. It's supposed to bring good luck and scare away bad spirits. The dancers, dressed in bright costumes, move like a lion with drums and cymbals playing. Food is really important during Tet. Families make big meals with dishes like bánh chưng, spring rolls, and pickled vegetables. It's a time for feasting and sharing. Tet is also a time for forgiveness. People forget about past arguments and start the year fresh. It's a wonderful tradition that makes families closer. Section 5. Mooncakes and Lanterns. The magic of Mid-Autumn Festival. Another wonderful festival is the Mid-Autumn Festival. It celebrates the harvest moon, a time for family and being together. The streets are full of children carrying colorful lanterns and enjoying mooncakes. Mooncakes are a special treat for the Mid-Autumn Festival. These sweet snacks come in different shapes and flavors. Some have sweet bean paste inside, while others have salted egg yolks. They're often given as presents to family and friends. During the festival, families get together under the moon, sharing mooncakes and stories. Children walk through the streets with their lanterns, laughing and having fun. The Mid-Autumn Festival is a magical time in Vietnam. It's a celebration of light, hope, and the beauty of nature. Section 6. The elegance of Áo Dai and the ubiquitous Nón La. Vietnamese clothes show the country's culture. The Áo Dai, a traditional silk dress, is a symbol of elegance and grace. Women of all ages wear it, often for special events. The Áo Dai is form-fitting and flows beautifully when you walk. It's usually worn with loose pants and makes anyone look fancy. Another famous Vietnamese item is the Nón La, the conical hat. This useful and stylish hat is made from palm leaves and protects you from the sun and rain. You'll see people wearing Nón La all over Vietnam, from farmers to people selling things at markets. It represents Vietnamese strength and cleverness. Section 7. The rhythm of daily life, from street markets to temples. Everyday life in Vietnam is full of exciting sights, sounds, and smells. Street markets are amazing, with people selling everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to clothes and things for your house. The air smells like delicious street food, from hot bowls of pho to grilled meats and fresh spring rolls. It's a food adventure. Temples and pagodas show the spiritual side of Vietnam. These peaceful places are filled with incense and quiet prayers. They're a nice break from the busy city. Whether you're drinking Vietnamese coffee outside or watching the sunset over the Mekong Delta, everyday life in Vietnam is something you'll remember forever. Section 8. Vietnamese Culture. A Global Tapestry. Vietnamese culture isn't only in Vietnam, it's all over the world, shared by Vietnamese people who live in other countries. From little Saigons to Vietnamese restaurants and communities worldwide, Vietnamese culture is alive and growing. Vietnamese people are strong and can adapt to new places. They keep their traditions while also learning about new cultures. Vietnamese culture is a gift to the world, showing how beautiful it is to be different and how important it is to connect with others. Section 9. Embracing the spirit of Vietnam. Vietnam is more than just a place to visit. It's an experience. It's about trying new things, enjoying the food and meeting the people. It's about seeing the beauty in simple things and the strength in never giving up. So come with an open mind and be ready to eat. Let Vietnam surprise you, make you happy, and change you. You might even fall in love with this amazing country. Explore the streets of Hanoi, travel on the Mekong Delta, and see the old temples of Hue. Vietnam is waiting for you.